If you are over 65 and still driving the way you have for decades, 2026 could bring a mailed citation you never saw coming. The roads look the same, the signs look the same, but in many states, enforcement is becoming more automated. That means more cameras, more mailed notices, and fewer roadside warnings. Hi, I'm Sophia. I review DMV updates and state legislation so you don't have to sort through legal language yourself. My goal is simple: help you protect your license, your savings, and your independence. Micro hook. Let's start with the rule catching the most drivers at red lights. 0.50. 1. The red light trap. Distracted driving. The old rule. In some states, distracted driving enforcement was secondary. An officer often needed another reason to stop you first. The new rule. In many states, handheld phone use is now a primary offense. That means you can be stopped solely for holding your phone. The trap. Even when stopped at a red light, you are still legally operating the vehicle. Picking up your phone to change a song or check a message can qualify as a violation in strict hands-free states. The cost. A citation can raise insurance premiums by 15% to 30% for up to 3 years, depending on your insurer. Micro hook. The next change is quieter, and you may not see anyone pull you over. 210. 2. The silent ticket. Speed cameras in zones. The old rule. You drove through a construction or school zone and adjusted based on what you saw. The new rule. Many states are expanding automated speed enforcement in work zones and school zones. The trap. These systems follow posted rules and schedules, not your judgment about how busy the road looks. In some districts, school zone cameras activate before and after official hours. The reality. Instead of a warning, you may receive a citation by mail days or weeks later. Micro hook. Now let's move to a change that directly affects drivers over 65. 340. 3. The senior renewal block. The old rule. License renewals could often be completed online or by mail. The new rule. Some states require in-person renewal at certain ages to verify identity and, in some cases, vision or medical status. California and Florida have age-based renewal policies, though the details differ. The trap. If you wait until the last minute and discover in-person renewal is required, limited appointments can delay you. The risk. If your license expires before renewal, you may face additional testing requirements depending on your state. The fix. When you receive your renewal notice, read it carefully and book early if in-person verification is required. Micro hook. The next update involves alcohol limits and a smaller margin than many drivers expect. 510. 4. The 0.05 shift, alcohol limits. The old rule. In most states, the legal blood alcohol limit is 0.08. The new rule. Utah lowered its limit to 0.05. Other states have debated similar proposals, though most still remain at 0.08. The trap. As we age, metabolism slows. The same drink can affect blood alcohol levels differently than it did years ago. The consequence. Exceeding your state's legal limit can result in license suspension, fines, and required education programs. Micro hook. Even the type of car you drive can affect your yearly costs. 640. 5. EV registration fees. The old rule, electric vehicles avoid gasoline taxes. The new rule. Many states now charge additional registration fees for electric vehicles to offset lost fuel tax revenue. The amount varies by state. The trap. These fees can range from under $100 to several $100s annually depending on location. The reminder. Review your renewal breakdown before your next registration so there are no surprises. Micro hook. This next rule applies anytime you see flashing lights ahead. 740. 6. The move over expansion. The old rule, drivers moved over for police, fire trucks, and ambulances. The new rule. In many states, move-over laws now apply to any stopped vehicle displaying flashing hazard or emergency lights. The trap. That includes tow trucks, service vehicles, and even private cars with hazards on. Failing to move over or slow down can result in fines and points. The takeaway: if you see flashing lights, slow down and change lanes when it is safe. Microhook. The final update deals with aggressive driving enforcement. 850. 7. Immediate impound. Reckless driving enforcement. The old rule. Reckless driving typically resulted in citations and court dates. The new rule. Some states have strengthened street takeover and exhibition of speed laws, allowing vehicle impound in serious or repeat cases. The trap. Reckless driving laws focus on intentional behavior. Rapid acceleration or unsafe maneuvers can attract enforcement attention. The reminder. Enforcement standards vary widely by state and usually apply to extreme conduct. Microhook. So how do you protect yourself in 2026? 10. The action plan. Here is your 3-step checklist. 1. Use a phone mount. If your vehicle does not have hands-free features, install an inexpensive mount and keep your phone out of your hand. 2. Review your renewal notice immediately. Especially if you are over 65, confirm whether in-person renewal is required and schedule early. 3. Make move over automatic. Treat every flashing light as a signal to slow down and change lanes safely. For detailed updates, check your official state DMV website once a year. Microhook, and here is the most important mindset shift. 11 Twaki, the empowerment outro. The roads in 2026 are not hostile. They are simply more monitored in many places. The system does not judge intent, it records behavior. A few small adjustments, hands-free driving, early renewal planning, and cautious lane changes can protect your independence for years to come. If you value clear, practical updates without exaggeration, subscribe and check the pinned comment for official state resources. Stay informed, stay steady, stay independent.